It's so cute.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love secret line.
Hey everybody, and welcome to it. Happy February. Okay, second month of the year. It's crazy already, I can't believe it. And today we are going to be resetting, maybe doing a little bit of decorating for Valentine's Day, and just getting our whole space, mind, everything ready to go for a new month. If you're new here, welcome, I'm Julia, and we do these little resets every single month. We're gonna go through and make a new wallpaper for our computer screens, set up a calendar for the new month, clean the house, do laundry, all the good things. So let's actually start off with doing a little bit of cleaning, and then we'll get into setting our goals and all of that amazing stuff later.
Don't force me out of bed in your society. Don't push me down the road you've been down. Don't try to fix my head, it's just your anxiety. Don't hush me now, cause I just wanna shout.
Alright everybody, we have our to-do list made for this whole February reset. We actually already did the dishes, so we can check one thing off. Perfect. But now let's go ahead and get a head start on the laundry so that can be going throughout the day while we are finishing up the reset. And I actually just got some new laundry detergent tablets from Blue Land. And Blue Land is actually the sponsor of today's video, so I wanted to show you all how all these things work because they're really cool. But I've talked about them before on this channel, but their products are both people and planet friendly. They don't have any single-use plastics as part of any component of their packaging, the product itself. Everything in the packaging is recyclable, and the products are free of any phosphates or other chemicals, so that's really great. So I have their hand soaps here where you fill this with water and you put the foaming hand soap packet in here and it'll turn into soap. They also have some of their laundry detergent tablets, which is perfect since we need to do some laundry right now. Alright, I just brought a load of laundry in so we can get it going, and these smell so good. I do love that they're both effective and affordable. They can get out lots of stains, grass stains to food stains. Personally, I just dropped chili on the new pair of sweatpants that I just got this weekend, so we'll see if it works. Here's your before. We'll see if it after is out. But yeah, all I had to do was drop it directly into the laundry drum, and I'm gonna start. Personally, I've been using Blue Land for almost a year now and I love them. I just actually ordered a refill on the dishwasher set that I used to have because I love those little tablets to put in my dishwasher. And it just ran out, but now I have the laundry set, which is exciting. So if you're interested, all that you have to do is head to the description and click the link below or scan this QR code that's on screen to get 15% off of your first kit. Blue Land is sharing a special offer for my viewers, so go ahead and check it out down below in the description if you're interested. And we're doing great. Started putting some away because I already had some loads done, so feeling great on that aspect. Came out to my office because I just got an exciting package in the mail. I thought we could unbox it together because it kind of has to do with February and love month, and that's kind of the vibe that I'm really leaning into in February. So I ordered the Taylor Swift Lover cardigan and it's so cute. It's so freaking cute. I can't wait to open it. I haven't opened it yet. This is what I've been wearing today so far in this video until I got this in. So hopefully, I don't know, I just have like this gray matching set on, so hopefully I'll look good with that, but we'll see. I thought we could open it together. It's so cute.
Always lost about something.
I love it. It's so cute. So perfect. I can't wait to wear with like maybe some jeans, you know, something maybe not this high of a neck. Definitely need to style it a little bit better, but it's adorable. So happy. It was like $70, but honestly, I think it's worth it. It's so cute, little hearts. Okay, well now that we have our really cute new cardigan, feeling great, excited to keep going. Let's go ahead and go inside and let's do our MacBook wallpaper for February. I don't know, I usually do like a little calendar that is themed for the month. So this month wanted to obviously be like pink, cute, lovey, and all those vibes. So let's go ahead and go in and make that. Okay, just did the February wallpaper and put it on my website, and then also just put it on my Mac, and it looks so cute. I just love changing things for the different seasons and different months and things that are going on in the world. I guess mostly just the seasons. Now I'm in my cute cardigan with my cute heart pink wallpaper, and all is right in the world for now. So now that my laptop is cute and it's on my website, we can check that off. I think I'm going to now quickly reset our calendar. We have this calendar that is just in our kitchen, and each month I go in and write in like what actual like big events we're doing, our appointments and stuff like that, just on that calendar. So let's do it. It's time to do a little check-in on how we've been going. Honestly, we've been getting a lot done. I airplayed my playlist of a bunch of like, I've been into listening to 5 Seconds of Summer and One Direction and like that kind of vibe again. I don't know why, but lately that's just what I've been stuck on. So I made a whole nice little playlist of songs of those vibes and airplayed it to my TV and turned it up all the way as loud as it could possibly go. And I've just been sweeping and mopping and getting all of that stuff done. I feel like turning on music or a podcast or an audiobook really helps me get all these different chores done, because or else I have no motivation. So right now, Supercut by Lorde is playing, and it makes me just want to get up and keep going. But we're gonna stop and check off some things, and then also do some of the not fun things like paying our credit cards here next. So we did the laundry, we put away and finished it, thank goodness. I did sweep and mopped the entire house, which honestly, I'll admit that hasn't been done in like months. Here and there, I'll do just like certain rooms or certain parts, but I've never, it's been a while since I've done the actual whole house, so feels great. Our house feels like a whole new place. We did fill out the monthly calendar. We also made the February wallpaper. Man, we are just doing great. So the only two things we have left are to look at the January goals, check which ones off I hit, and then set my February goals, and then also pay our mortgage and our credit cards. So let's go out really quick and do our January and February goals. All right, just sat down, grabbed out my goal book. So let's see which ones from January we were able to check off. I kind of forgot about some of them, so not feeling too hopeful. This is dead. 440,000 subscribers we did hit. Oh my gosh, that is so exciting. It's been a while since I've actually hit the subscriber goals that I've set, so that's exciting. Don't think I hit my Google AdSense goal. January, I don't know if you guys know this, but it's kind of a random tip. The first few months of the year, like January, February, sometimes March, are kind of the lowest money months, I guess, as YouTubers, because advertisers aren't spending as much money on ads as they are in like November and December during Christmas and shopping season. So I should have known better, but didn't make that one. I did hit 100,000 TikTok followers, and wow, I honestly thought I was not gonna get this because I was at 99.7 thousand before the TikTok got banned, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna make this, but then it came back and I hit it. So that was exciting. I'm very happy about that. That's awesome too. I wanted to update juliakchris.com, which I'm gonna check off because technically I did update it. I didn't do as much of it, like of the updating that I wanted, so we'll have to add that for February again. Did not update my taxes. Oh, I did read 3 books. Wow, I really thought, for some reason I thought my goal was 5 books. So I've been all month sitting here trying to finish 5, and I did. So that's fun. I wanted to post once a day on short form, which did not happen. Ran out of ideas. I wanted to get a new bedroom dresser, which we did. I just haven't set it up yet. It's in the garage though. Wanted to use our Peloton, didn't do that. Wanted to have an amazing book trip, which I did. That was so fun. I put a little snippet of our little book trip in this video if you want to watch. I wrote speak on a panel, which I did. I did that. I spoke on a creative panel at the wedding venue that we got married at. They hosted a little creative event and I was a panelist, so that was exciting. And then I also wrote network like a boss because this year I've been really working on networking and stuff like that. So I had a lot of exciting, fun meetings with people and it's really paying off. So I'm excited about that. So there's how many we checked off for January. Let's go ahead and make our February goals now. Wow, I love February and how cutie and pink and lovey everything is just because of Valentine's Day. So of course, we're going to make it pink and red themed and purple. February goals are completed, and now that I'm thinking about it, I definitely need to add, like, take down my Christmas decorations because these are still up, which is unacceptable. It's February now. They're winter, other than that one says Merry Christmas, but that's fine. I just need to pick out new prints, I think. I want to, and I've just been putting it off, so maybe I should put that on my goal list. So basically for February, here it is, very cute. I'll go over them really quickly. 443,000 subscribers, $2,000 Google AdSense, 84,000 Instagram followers, post 5 out of 7 days of the week on short form, update my taxes, update my website, read 5 books, capture cute cabin content. I have a fun little cozy cabin trip that I'm going on with some girlfriends and I'm really excited. It's actually this weekend, so it's gonna be fun and we want to take really cute pictures and just have a fun time, so that'll be fun. Spend quality time with friends and family and my husband. Like I said, I have some fun, just like we're going to the Dancing with the Stars live tour and indie show with my sisters and mom, like that's going to be fun. And then the Super Bowl, we're having friends over, so we just have a lot of like exciting, fun things going on in February that I just want to soak it all in. Make cozy desk gaming setup. So in Keegan's office in the house, he has his office and that's where he has like his gaming PC, and I have a desk in there too that I have one of my iMacs on and I use it for work and stuff like that, but then we've been thinking about lately of building me a PC so I can play fun cozy games because you can't get all of them on Mac. So that's been kind of an idea, but for sure, even if we don't have the PC, we're gonna actually redo that little space in the office and put up some fun lights and posters and stuff. So that's why that's on there, because we just keep putting it off because we can't decide what we want it to look like. And then lastly, I have my JKC Studios rebrand. So my wedding content creator business, I am rebranding with new logo and new website and new photos and stuff. So I'm really excited about that. Hopefully in February. So that's all for our goals. Now for February, I wanted to get some cute little Valentine's Day prints and put them on our fridge. So let's go ahead and do that. These are the little things I was talking about, how I want to get some little prints in here. But first, I needed to tell you guys, I'm so sad. I don't know what I did. Well, I kind of know what I did. I went on a little girls reading trip this past weekend and forgot to put this in the fridge. And maybe just the environment that I've been keeping this in hasn't been correct, but pretty sure it's moldy. It has some fuzz growing on it. So this is my sourdough starter. Sorry, I didn't even say that. So, don't know what to do about that other than that I'm very glad because thankfully I kept part of the starter from the very first stuff. Gosh, it needs fed or whatever, but so this was always my backup just in case I ever screwed this up, which obviously I did. So yeah, that's a bummer.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause every time you tell me I look good and that I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changes. And now I see, baby, you are hurting me.
Okay, that craft turned out so cute. I did that this morning in my pajamas, so sorry you've seen me in like 1,000 different outfits so far in this video. But I also cannot keep this cardigan off. It is so cute. I'm so happy I got it. I'm gonna get so much use out of it, I feel like. But now the last thing on our to-do list for this video is to pay off our credit cards and just arrange our money. So we have our mortgage to come out of our bank accounts automatically each month. So I usually just transfer the money over to that account to make sure that it's there for whenever the, drawing comes out. So I'm just going to send that over right now, make transfer. Okay, so now we have that, and then we need to pay off our credit cards. And you guys, I know the past few months I've been like having a breakdown every single time I look at our credit card statement, but this month we actually did so well. We kept it around $1,000, although I think I did pay it off halfway through the month, but we're not gonna mention that, okay? We did great. I'm going to pay our credit card next, and make payment. So that'll come out today. Slay. Oh wait, I forgot I have another one that I've been using. Oh, okay, that's not too bad. 148. We're gonna go ahead and pay off that one as well. Amazing. Also, I need to look into credit card points and how to spend those, because I know darn well we have so many credit card points. I haven't used any of them since our wedding. And so this has been 2 years now that we've had these cards, and I put a lot of our wedding expenses on the cards so that we could get fun points and bonuses and stuff like that. So I know I have so many and I have no clue how to go about using them. I know there's like certain strategies that you can use to like use them smarter, but it's just so much. It's a lot to try and tackle. So need to research and do that because we have so many points. I'm feeling amazing. Our house is so clean. It feels so good to have everything like deep cleaned and organized, and we put cute Valentine's Day prints up. I still need to do the prints out in my office and the ones above our beds because those are so Christmassy, but it's okay. That'll be a problem for a different time. If your birthday is in February, comment below what day your birthday is. Happy birthday month. So excited for you. And if you made it to this point in the video, comment this heart with the arrow through it for Valentine's Day. I hope you all have a wonderful month ahead. I'm also going to be posting a video, I'm filming it today, of customizing my phone for February. I think I'm going to start by doing monthly phone resets too, so that's gonna be a separate video if you want to watch that. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and that's all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.